Now I shall start exercise 9.1 question number 10. At first listen the question. Two poles of equal heights are on either side of a 80-meter wide road. From a point on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the two poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. Okay, now look the figure. Now you try to understand. At first, AB and CD are two vertical poles. So AB equal to CD equal to H we have taken and height of the two poles, and BD equal to 80 meter width of the road. Okay, and E is a point on the road, and angle AEB equal to 60 degree and angle CED equal to 30 degree. Okay, now look how I have done. Let BE equal to X, BE equal to X I have taken. So DE equal to 80 minus X. Okay, now I have drawn the figure again. Now in BE equal to X and DE equal to 80 minus X, and in right triangle ABE, tan 60 degree equal to AB by B. The value of tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 equal to H by X. So H equal to X root 3 by cross multiplication. Again in right triangle CDE, in right triangle CDE, tan 30 degree equal to CD by DE. Tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3 equal to H by 80 minus X, because DE is 80 minus X. Now by cross multiplication, H root 3 equal to 80 minus X and H equal to 80 minus X by root 3. This is equation number 2. In equation 1, I have taken the value of H, and equation 2, again value of H is determined. So the two equations must be equal. So equation 1 equal to equation 2. So x root 3 equal to 80 minus x by root 3. Now by cross multiplication, root 3, 3. So 3x equal to 80 minus x. Minus x will come here, and 4x equal to 80 and x equal to 20. So putting the value of x in either in equation of 1 or in equation 2. So h equal to x root 3. I have put here the values in equation 1. So h equal to x root 3, that is 20 root 3. So height of the two equal poles equal to 20 root 3 meter. BE, that is x, is 20 meter. DE, that is 80 minus x, equal to 80 minus 20, 60 meter. Okay. Now next question. Listen to the question at first. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on either bank, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Then find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Now you look properly the figure. AB equal to H, that is the height of the tower, and BC equal to X, it is width of the canal. Now CD equal to 20 meter, it is given, and angle ACB equal to 60 degree and angle ADB equal to 30 degree. These are given. You have to determine the value of H and X. Now look, in right triangle ABC, tan 60 equal to H by X, because AB by BC. So tan 60 I have written here root 3, and AB by BC, AB equal to H and BC equal to X. So H equal to X root 3. This is equation number 1. And again in right triangle ABD, in right triangle ABD, tan 30 degree equal to AB by BD. Now look here, tan 30 equal to AB by BD. So tan 30's value is 1 by root 3, AB's value is h, and BD's value is x plus 20. X plus 20. Now by cross multiplication, h equal to h root 3 equal to x plus 20 and h equal to x plus 20 by root 3, equation 2. In equation 1 and 2, I have taken the value of h. Show equation 1 equal to equation 2. In equation 1, h's value is x root 3 and in equation 2, h value is x plus 20 by root 3. So 3x cross multiplication, 3x equal to x plus 20 and 3x minus x, 2x equal to 20 and x equal to 10. So putting x in equation 1, h equal to x root 3, that is 10 root 3, and h, which is the height of the tower, is 10 root 3 meter, x, that is the width of the canal, is 10 meter. Okay.